Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For your kind information, my name is Bish Mandal and I am from West Bengal. This is my day 2 of learning English and practicing English. Actually, I took a challenge that in 50 days I will come in front of camera and completely speak in English. I took this channel because when I was in my 10th grade, I was not able to speak in English. I was not read English, and I was also not understand English. Uh, then when my 10th result came, it was very bad, and I was very sorrow at that time. That's why I took this channel, because I want to improve my channel and want to uh, become fluent in English. If you are also someone who want to improve their English, you can join me and subscribe my channel. We will do this together. You can see that I am right now in a very vast field. It's it's covered by large green leaves. It's we are called this in our local language makhna, but I don't know what is this exactly name. uh, right now I am outside from my house, as you can see, and as you can hear, I am speaking in English. Sorry for my little disturbance, because I am not able to speak English fluently, but in 50 days I will try my best and improve my English. I I created this channel because no one I have no one to speak English, and I have to do it alone. With all of you, I will try my best and give my best to improve my English, and be, to become fluent in English. I will do whatever I I want to. I can do. Uh, you can subscribe my channel and join me to improve also your English. Actually, my hand is paining right now, because I am holding this phone and recording myself. I don't have any selfie stick and tripod, so I will stop anywhere this video. In this video, I make mistake. In this journey, I will make mistakes, but it's completely okay, because mistakes are part of life. Mistakes prove that you are trying. Uh, if you are also someone who trying to improve their English, you can use ChatGPT, because I am also using ChatGPT to improve my English, because it's a free version, and you can talk with ChatGPT in simple English. It's completely free, and it will give you more confidence to speak in English and become fluent in English. So uh, support me by hitting the subscribe button, and comment below what is your biggest problem when you speaking in English. This is my day 2, and I will see you in the next video of my day 3. So tata, bye bye. Today I will see you in the next video of my day 3 of 50-day English learning challenge. Okay, bye.